Hi everyone, in this video I'll be sharing with you our new rug gun that we sell. It has this long pile and it is super fun to use. Here is the regular model and here is the long pile model. It's not much heavier, but it is super fun to use. So let's get started. I made this simple design just by hand, and I'm gonna use this, which just has the regular short pile. And then what I mean by pile is like the length of your yarn. So this one just does that type of length, but this bigger one that I have now does a really tall length, which makes it look super cool. So I put the yarn through it the same way as I do with any other rug gun, but the difference is on the back side, it's gonna be a lot longer. So I'll just quick show you how I do it on this side. As you can tell, this is super shaggy. It looks absolutely insane compared to the other one. So it's super cool. Let me show you while it's shooting through the rug gun. There's so many possibilities with what you could do with this new rug gun. You can make abstract looking shapes that weren't possible before. You can put hair on characters. I'll be showing myself carving it soon with a shaver and how you could change it to any height you want by doing so. Now I'm going to switch over from the long pile to the regular. As you can see, it's about 3 times the height. And if you want it to be shorter or you want to shape it out however you want, you could easily do so with the shaving tool that I sell on my website. I'm pretty much just experimenting and throwing different heights into different areas so you could tell the difference. And a lot of people do this and make like mossy type of rugs. So that's kind of what I was going for, but I was also just experimenting and making it look weird and cool. And here I'm just using my shaver to kind of shape out different areas. This part right here came out really cool because I was able to shape it out into this like abstract shape. So like closer to the center I have it a higher height, and I kind of carved at an angle on the edge to make this weird looking rounded shape, which would never really be possible before. And I did the same with the edge, which looks really interesting and awesome. Now what I'm doing is spreading glue onto the back of my fabric. You don't need any fancy glue. I literally just use school glue, and then I spread it onto the back with a putty knife. And then when it's done, I just cut the edges. There's so many different ways to finish your rug, but typically I just cut the edges and it's completely fine. And here is the finished rug. I'm super happy with how it came out. It's weird, it's abstract, kind of looks like moss. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you want the new rug gun that we sell, it's on my website, imakerugs.com. Okay, bye.